Well, this is what it's like today in my backyard. It's been snowing. It's been snowing and it's beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to go out for a hike tomorrow. It's pretty cold out, but I thought I'd share with you one of the things I do. I put wind chimes everywhere. So when the wind blows, which it's not now, but I have a wind chime video. And I have a whole bunch outside my bedroom window as well. So healing. And there's all kinds of treats here for the squirrels and the birds, but I think they're freezing. They're up in the trees just freezing because they haven't gotten the bread yet. But they did come out this morning. They tried.